Another sunny day, another vlog. Welcome back to Inquisitive Soul. Perhaps I should shorten it out until Ink Soul. That would be better. I think that is a long name, but hey, I think it defines the channel. So yeah, and that brings us to today's topic. It brings us to today's topic for this video, which is dealing with pain.
And now, this world shall know pain. Almighty push.
I don't mean physical pain, of course, but mental pain, all the struggle that we think we face in life. We will discuss on that. We'll see. Hopefully we will realize how much of our struggle is just a mental illusion or something as such. So coming back to pain, actual pain in our actual life, you see, most of it comes because of our own expectations, or we are not able to control certain things. Few things do not go as per our plan, so we think, because of which we start struggling mentally. But honestly, if you look at it, if you introspect, and the problem is not with pain is part of life, but the problem is pain is the best thing in life. Actually, if you ask me, it is a good motivator. But the problem is that a lot of us ignore pain. We do not tend to introspect. So most people nowadays, when faced with pain, they play video games and get addicted to something, right? Play video games, smoke, drink, watch porn. So all these aren't really solutions. These make your pain even more worse. The actual solution to deal with pain is to introspect. Take your time. If it is not possible, then at least while riding in traffic, sitting in bus, car or cab, just think about it. What is causing you pain? Is your pain valid? Right? Most of the time our pain isn't really valid. It is some stupid stuff which we ponder upon. So what is causing you pain? Think about it. When you identify it, think, is the problem under your control, or is it outside your control? If it is under your control, think about how soon it can be solved. If it can't be solved soon, but it will eventually be solved, right? If it is under your control, today or tomorrow it will be solved. So you do not really have to worry about it. If it is not under your control, then though you should just forget it, because there is nothing that you can do. So instead of pondering over the thing which you are unable to control, it's best to focus on the present. Most of your pain is in the past, so focus on the present. And your pain, our pain just needs a direction. Do not never ignore your emotions. Whenever you feel pain, think about it, take your time. If you think that the pain is caused by something which can't be controlled, ignore it. Not the emotion, but ignore the situation. It's not under your control. But what you can do is put your best effort. If the pain is under your control, put your best effort and try to solve it. So, in both the cases, if you think about it, you shouldn't really be suffering. You just need to direct pain, and you will grow in life if you just do that. So yeah, I know this is a bit long of a discussion which I'm talking about, but I just wanted to explain everything clearly. And if you still need to deal with pain, the best way is to read Bhagavad Gita or Marcus. I forgot the name exactly, but it is Stoicism, meditation by Marcus Aurelius or something as such. That book is also really good. The idea of Stoicism is also very close to something which is told in Bhagavad Gita. So you can read Stoicism or Bhagavad Gita. So yep, that's just a suggestion to deal with pain or life. Actually, these books do not just teach you to deal with pain, it teaches you to deal with life. It makes you rise above emotions. So let's get back to traffic observation. Hopefully coming back at night, I'll get some content, funny content of course. Oh damn brother, you.
What's that?
Nice chocolate, peanut butter.
What's that, brother?
Oh fuck, it stinks bro. Yeah. Damn bro, fuck. Let me just quickly open my visor. Fuck, it stinks. God. Should I try to overtake? Oh, good thing I did not. Good thing I did not. If not, I would have been squeezed in between these two giants. There seems to be too much traffic today. As you know, Friday is election holiday, so I think most people would have taken work from home or leave tomorrow and plan for a long weekend. Maybe possibly a really long weekend, because the next week May 1st is also a holiday. So yep, it's time to party. I hope you guys do have some plans. If not, I will suggest you to read the book by Marcus Aurelius, which we discussed about, right? Stoicism. The book name is Meditation. I think it is fairly a small book. It should be over in 2 to 3 days. So do give it a read if you are not really going anywhere else. So stuck in traffic. Is this all to life? You know, get up every day, go to office, come back home, eat and sleep. Is that all? Is that all to life? You know, you study for, you know, what, 12, around 16 years, and then you become a slave, corporate slave. We study for a good 16 years at least, and at the end of the day we pretend we study for 16 years just to pretend that we like our work. I'm having an amazing time at work, just to pretend. Okay, is that all? Did we really had to study so much for 16 years? At least the kids know. I don't think teachers hit them, but when we used to study, we used to get screwed. We used to get screwed for not doing homework, not cutting hairs, nails, not scoring marks. We used to get screwed. Even I used to get beatings even if I yawn in class. So all that for just to pretend that I like my work. Life is amazing, work is amazing. Wow, look, I'm not trapped. My life is next level. But the truth is, most of us, pretty much most of us, are trapped in life. So yeah.